Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming two essentials: an active Irctc account and the mobile number on that account matching the one linked to your Aadhaar. Once done, open Irctc and go to My Profile or Manage Profile. This is where linking begins. Click Link Aadhaar and enter your Aadhaar number carefully. One wrong digit delays the process. Make sure your phone is with you to receive the OTP. This first step prevents mismatches and speeds verification. After entering your Aadhaar number, request the OTP and wait for the 6-digit SMS. Network delays happen, so be patient. You must verify that the name and date of birth on Irctc match Aadhaar exactly. Differences block linking. Once the OTP arrives, enter it promptly. The system validates the Aadhaar against UID records. If the platform asks for biometric or video verification, follow prompts. Otherwise, submitting the OTP usually completes the middle verification step and triggers back-end confirmation. Finish by confirming the on-screen success message and saving any reference ID. You should also receive SMS or email confirmation. If it fails, first recheck the mobile number on Irctc and the Aadhaar digits you entered. Typos are the common cause. If problems persist, wait 15-30 minutes and retry to avoid OTP conflicts, and then contact Irctc support with the reference. One key tip: if OTP never arrives, request a resend and restart the flow to clear stale sessions.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.